What's going on, guys? I'm John Ross, aka Watch JR Go, and today I'm here with Big Brian, and we're on a mission to go get something cool. It involves 4 things: 2 turbos, 1 Lamborghini, and Shake Shack? I don't know, something like that, but we're about to hop into the airport right now and take you guys with us. Got some brand new custom Nikes. These are the Watch JR Go editions. They say JR Go on the tongue. I'll show you guys those later. Obviously, made to match something cool. Security gets crazier and crazier every single time we do this. It just took like 45 minutes. It was the biggest waste of my life. Here we are on the tiniest plane of all time. It has like, it only holds like 100 people. Yeah, but 60 people, right? Yeah. 11 rows times 4. Yeah. So we're out for this exciting ride full of turbulence in this tiny plane, and then we'll hop on something big in Chicago. It's warm in here.
In a quarter mile, keep left to stay on Josh Birmingham Parkway.
Here we are, getting that Hilton room. All right, it's 8 in the morning, just woke up. That's a disaster right there. But here we are at NASCAR headquarters. NASCAR Hall of Fame right there. You can see that. It's a round building with you can see like a fastback Mustang hanging out the window. NASCAR banners running around it. Looks pretty cool. That said, we're getting ready for this day, and we're about to show you something really cool. Probably cooler than NASCAR headquarters. Give you guys a hint about what we're doing today. This should explain it all. We're headed down to breakfast and then on to the mission.
The mission. Let's go.
Because like everything else, yeah, that does look like it.
That's it, yeah.
I mean, there's an
You
R8.
have an orange car.
No.
Yeah, okay, because that's trying a little too hard.
No, I would
not
drive
your
that.
car, is it?
No.
No.
Okay.
No.
No question I'd be in it. That's the one that KC keeps posting, I think.
That looking car.
That looks great.
If you're 21.
Here we are at the Promised Land. It's Martin Luther King Day, and Brian had a dream. We're here to fulfill that dream. Check this out. That's an RE V10 Plus, I think, with UGR action. I think KC's been driving this around, and Kevin's been driving this around.
That's a good looking car.
It is so good.
All the carbon.
Woo! Anyway, we're heading inside UGR now. They said we can't take any pictures or videos.
I guess we're going around the back.
Are we? I guess this is all you guys get to see until the car comes out. Underground did say I could take a picture of this 1,000 horsepower hoverboard. This is it. The first time it's come outside in a long time. just gone. We got caught. Casey and I got pulled over in the R8. R8 V10 Plus.
Where was he at?
Brian's excited.
Way back, but he saw us, you know, like
UGR Stage 3. Woo! It's gonna be like this every day, just flying into the airport. Got the mat going on. Another LP610. All right, we can finally record. We're out of UGR, out on the street. The car is amazing, flawless, like 100% different car than what Dive Racing did.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Casey and Kevin are up there in that R8 V10 Plus, which looks amazing going down the road. It has a lot of presence with that the center diffuser. Yeah, it looks mean.
It's a good looking car.
Holy crap, dude! It's ridiculous!
that aspiration is insane.
We're like, whatever. Like, he just bought that car and he's like, well, recently.
That's Casey's car?
Yeah,
That's badass.
it's a little cool.
A little bit.
Bands and I'm with your fan. Diamonds going crazy like they on the dance floor. Got a lot of hands, I can handle. Flavor that's forever, try sample. Baby on the bars like I'm Johnny dancing. Everybody trying to you know me,
He was in it too! Holy crap!
I need that money like the rain.
He let out. You can't let out. That was a race. Trying to set it up. Holy crap. Oh, here they go. Got the downshift. Oh, they're both terribly slow. Alright, this one's actually a sport bike. That one makes like 80 horsepower. I was like, don't do it. You gonna do it? Dude, that's awesome. I love how quiet it is when it's just chilling.
Turn it off and it just will be so solid.
Yeah.
The seats.
That's freaking crazy.
One more.
Good stuff. Well, Charlotte, it's been real. We are hopping in the car, taking it back to UGR right now, Ubering to the airport, flying home. The transport guy's picking up the car tomorrow and bringing it straight back to Wichita. It should be there by this weekend. So this is the last view of that Charlotte skyline for you guys. See the NASCAR headquarters. Still pretty cool that we're staying like that close to, I mean, a car organization. It's not like NASCAR is that cool, but it's a car organization. Freezing cold. She's been nothing at all. The fire extinguisher. Oh well.
Sounds wicked.
Yeah. Game over with the front. We can't put our bags in it anymore. She's been cuddled up all morning here in front of the hotel. It gets louder and then goes back down.